Welcome to the world of grilling. Today we're talking about the fiery debate, lump charcoal versus briquettes. Lump charcoal, pure and potent, burns hot and fast, making it perfect for a quick sear. Love experimenting with flavors or using different wood smokes? Lump charcoal's minimal taste profile is your ticket to culinary creativity. Now let's not forget about the humble briquette. Reliable and consistent, briquettes are your best bet for low and slow cooking, smoking meats, and maintaining steady temperatures. They offer a neutral flavor, making them versatile for a variety of dishes. Environmentally, lump charcoal takes the win with minimal processing and no additives. But briquettes are not far behind with efforts towards sustainability. In terms of cost, lump charcoal is a pricier choice, while briquettes are budget-friendly. So, which is the champion in this grilling showdown? Well, that depends on your cooking needs. High-heat grilling? Opt for lump charcoal. Low and slow? Briquettes have you covered. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Please like, share, subscribe, and be sure to visit culinarycrossover.com for more. Keep those grills hot and those taste buds ready.